wasn't that brave after all.
Unlike Snore, oh, he was such a hero.
Aw, shucks, since I bumped my head, I can't remember a thing.
Oh, you're fantastic, Snore. The way you chased Needle out of... the way you chased that robber.
Oh, yes, Nurse Benny told me all about it. Can you try barking for us again, Snore? Oh, dear. He's forgotten again.
Forgotten? Forgotten what?
Forgotten your cookie. Oh, come on, hero. Eat up. You were great, Snore.
Well, it was nothing. All in a day's work for a brave police dog.